Attorney Rodriguez, we're waiting on the ADA.
Okay, so we're waiting on the district attorney anyway. Okay, well, I got us back live on YouTube. Uh, and I'm going to pull up Mr. Rodriguez's paperwork. Okay, Mr. Rodriguez is out of this conference. And what's happening on well, let's go ahead and take this plea. Brenda, what's happening with your guy? Do you need to confer them?
I just need to confer with him that they're still leaving a pretrial diversion on the table for this guy, and he's a nurse. And so I think it would be better for him not to have a conviction. And he was approved. We just haven't signed the contract. That's the stage we're at. So I'm going to ask you sent if that's what he still wants to do. He wanted me, I needed to verify with Dan that it was still on the table. So.
Okay, so you need to talk to him to verify that. If you do verify that, we're going to just send you back to the original court then, right?
Right. Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, go ahead and talk to him. In the meantime, let me take a plea. All right. Okay, so then I have Mr. Perez.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Perez, can you raise your right hand, sir?
Yes, sir.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, yes, sir, I do.
Is your name Shane Perez?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Shane Perez who in this cause number 2025 CC 015305, who's charged with the offense of evading arrest? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in the case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed along with your attorney. When you signed this, what you did was you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this document. Oh, you're a citizen of the United States.
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor. If you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of evading arrest, how do you plead? Guilty,
No.
not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay, 1 minute. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite if there is one?
$0 fine, court cost 17 days in Bear County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. He has at least 17 days in Bear County Jail.
Then I'm going to judgment status. Do you agree to this, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Pettis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Pettis, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. Sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. 17 days in the Bear County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Rodriguez?
I believe it is, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good luck. Good luck.
Yes, Your Honor.
All the deputies that were finishing your case. David, do you have another case? I forget.
Yes, Judge. It's Charles Stratton.
Okay. On my sheet.
Page 3.
Page 3, yeah. Okay, now let me find it on my screen. Okay, tell the deputies who finished your case.
On Charles Stratton, there were 2 offers.
He's accepting the jail time offer of the 90 days.
Okay, he doesn't have enough credit for that, so it'd have to be open, I guess, or I don't know.
Understood. I mean, I told him he's going to have to do more days.
Mr. Stratton, yes.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I'm sorry. I let my coworker in. I have to get to an appointment.
Okay.
So she's gonna finish out for me.
Okay,
I'll see y'all tomorrow.
see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so then, Mr. Stratton, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Hold on a minute. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Charles Stratton?
Yes, it is.
Are you the same Charles Stratton who in this cause number 2025 CC 015308 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
I do.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Correct.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
He did.
And do you understand it?
I do.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
I do.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. And you understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway.
I do.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will.
I am.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
$0 fine, court cost, 90 days, Bear County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. I'm showing 23 days, but Debbie might have more information on the time.
Yes,
Okay,
that's correct.
okay, he's showing 23 days. So I tell you what, is there a particular reason this recommendation is so high? Does he just have a lot of trespass on this particular property?
The reason the prosecutor made the offer is because this defendant had a trespass upon the same person on 9 and was convicted of that on 9/5/2025, and then on 10/18/2025 committed the trespass again against the same person.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to follow the state's recommendation. Do you want to go ahead and go with this or not, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then the court having heard your plea of no contest on that plea, the court does find you guilty. I'll follow the state's recommendation. Sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 90 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, the time and the money to run concurrent. You will still have more time to do on this case. You understand that?
I do.
Okay. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Rodriguez, thank you. You can be excused. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so did Deborah already excuse herself? Deborah, yeah, not Deborah. Brenda already excuse herself. I guess she must have. So then, is that it on the docket, or do we have?
That's your big care of it.
Okay, so